Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm cooking up spicy chili sauce wontons. So let's get started. Let's review the ingredients here. I have frozen wontons. Last month I made a whole bunch of wontons and this is the last of it. And to learn how to make these wontons, click on the link at the end of this video. I have cilantro, green onion, garlic, balsamic vinegar. And for the chili sauce, I'm using the fried chili in oil. And this is the Godmother brand. And this is the ground Sichuan peppercorn. And you can purchase this at the Asian market in the seasoning aisle. Or you can make your own. And it's actually prickly ash. And what you do is just dry roast this in a pan until it becomes aromatic. And just grind it in a spice grinder. And lastly, we have a bit of sugar. For the prep, let's start with the garlic. I have a microplaner. And I'm going to just grate this right over the serving bowl. And I like to use a microplane for this because you won't get a big chunk of garlic when you're eating the wonton. And you can put as much as or as little garlic as you like. Okay, next let's mince the green onion. Okay, we'll also place it into the serving bowl. Cilantro, same thing. And for the green onion and cilantro, use as much or as little as you like. Okay, we'll put this into the serving bowl also. So next up, let's mix up the sauce. So I'm using a heaping tablespoon. And this Godmother brand of chili has some peanuts in it. And the chili has been fried, so it's going to give it a nice crunchy texture also. We'll add balsamic vinegar. Mix it up a bit. Add a little bit of sugar and also a little bit of the Sichuan peppercorn. And adjust the seasonings to your own personal taste. If you like it spicier, add more chili, add more Sichuan peppercorn. It's all up to you. And the sauce is ready. So let's continue with the cooking the wontons. So let's cook the wonton. I have a pan of boiling water. We'll add the wontons in. Okay, so once I add the wonton, I'm turning the heat down to medium. And I like to slow cook it. And because the wontons were frozen, this will take probably an extra minute or two to cook up. If you're using fresh wonton, it will take about maybe 7 minutes to cook. So this will take maybe 9 minutes. And you can move them around a little bit. So about 8 minutes has elapsed, and another indication that the wontons are cooked is that they floated to the top. And this slow cooking method allows the filling to cook fully without the wonton skin disintegrating. So let's turn off the heat and we'll drain it right onto our serving bowl. And I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of the cooking liquid. Okay, so let's serve this up. Okay, so all that's left to do is just mixing the wontons together. And this smells heavenly. And the surprise ingredient in this dish is the balsamic vinegar. It really adds a nice flavor to this dish. And here we have a delicious, spicy, aromatic bowl of chili sauce wontons. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. No worries, guys. I'm not giving her spicy wonton. This is just a regular wonton. And she loves it. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy.
Good girl.